Hi, this is René Bronkhorst. Started at Modig Machine Tool in Sweden. Currently in the role as Global Sales Director for Automotive Components and Product Development. Coming from a background of 30 years experience in extrusion, working a lot with automotive customers all over the globe. Learning a lot about how the best technology is applied on our products. Modig is a very interesting company when it comes to your automotive parts. I have learned over extensive benchmarks the good quality and the innovative ideas that they have for producing the parts against the lowest possible cost for the highest possible quality. Please contact us at www.modig.se.